for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 Genesis GV80. The Genesis GV80 is a stylish luxury SUV with third-row seating for all your hauling needs. The exterior has a distinctive and sophisticated look with an interior that is even more impressive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, keyless ignition, power windows, power door locks, electronic stability control, daytime running lights, alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.